Hey there, Licknriffers! There's a known secret in the music world that professional musicians can take and apply to basically anything to make it far more sophisticated and far more professional sounding. And I want to see if you can spot it yourself first. Okay, it's... Okay, can you spot this secret ingredient, so-called? Okay, I'll make it simpler for you. Okay, can you hear it? Okay, one last example and then I'll tell you what I'm doing. Can you hear it? Can you hear the common ingredient here? It's called the 3-3-2 pattern. 3-3-2. And this pattern makes everything better, music-wise. Because it's just it's kind of like a force of nature. There's something very naturally intuitive about this pattern. It's 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2, and as you can see, you can apply it basically anywhere in your music, and it sounds awesome. It sounds amazing. Now, the key here is for the music to feel like 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. If you just go, then it's meaningless. It's not really the way you use the pattern. Okay, when I played chords, okay, I just played D minor with different bass notes. Okay, I could do it like this, but the goal here is to feel the beat, okay, and play whatever you want to play inside that framework. Okay, that's why I played pull-offs, hammer-ons. See, it's still 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. Okay, I could add more bass notes. Okay, this is way too obvious. You want to mask the fact that you're using a rhythm pattern. For example, that blues lick. Okay, that was 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. Okay, but if you use it inside a solo, see, you can use it inside the pentatonic scale, just, or sliding lines, just like this is also 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. See, it works as long as you're not obvious about it. As long as you're not obvious about it, it's gonna do wonders. The moment you're obvious about it, it doesn't work. Okay, if I played, I don't remember what I did. I think it was, okay. If you repeat this 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2, okay, I'm playing B5 with the open G string. Okay, if you repeat this, it becomes meaningless. It becomes a pattern. But the goal is to feel the pattern. See, it really doesn't matter what I play. The pattern makes it awesome. Okay, now you can use it as a beat, okay, with the bass notes. But mask the fact that you're playing a pattern by randomizing your playing, right? Just A minor. See? No longer sounds like a pattern. Now, you can also play block chords. Okay, let's say. Okay, how do you mask that? You just don't play all of it. You don't play the entire pattern. It's still 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, but you don't have to play everything. You don't have to accentuate every single note. The only place where it's absolutely obvious that it's the pattern is country banjo rolls. Okay, I'm barring 3 and I'm hammering on 4 on the 3rd string. Okay, this is where it's obvious. But the moment you start playing with it, okay, you see it's less obvious now. But whenever you have banjo rolls, this is where 3-3-2 works wonders, even if it's obvious. But always try to mask it. Okay, just feel the 3-3-2 behind what you're playing, and it'll make it more magical. So thank you very much for watching. If you want to support Licknriff, you can join my Patreon and get access to my 10 best-selling courses. You can also save your spot in this week's webinar, From Amateur to Awesome. The links are in the description. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Bye for now. Have fun!